Professor Bewey here from Einstein's Entertainers with another science experiment that you guys can do at home. Now today we're going to be talking about penguins and how penguins can swim in the water. So what you're going to need today is you're going to need some wax crayons, some water and our penguin template, which we have added onto our website, which is in the link below, so you might want to print this out. But don't worry if you don't have a printer, because you can always do the same thing by just drawing one yourself. So what I've done is, if you might see that I've got two penguins here, and what I've done is with the wax crayons, is I've coloured one of them in. Now, with your water, we're going to demonstrate how the penguin's feathers have got an oily coating on there, which means that they don't get wet. So for instance, if I was going to show you here, we're using this pipette. Now, if I was to put the water onto this penguin here, watch what happens. It just sort of stays there and it gets a little bit wet. Now if you watch, the page will slowly get more and more wet. Can you see that? The paper's getting wet from it. But if I was now to add it onto our penguin over here, ready, let's have a look. What will happen is the water stays into droplets. Now that's kind of like what happens to our penguin. So the water doesn't penetrate into the feathers and into the body, so it doesn't get cold. Now I'll show you, ready? If I lift this up, you watch all the water droplets on there. What should happen is on the other side, on the penguin, they'll all come off, but on the penguin with no wax crayons, it will all just come off, ready? It will all just stay there and it will be a bit mucky. Here we go, ready? Can you see? How it all comes off. And the penguin here with the wax crayon is all dry. So there you go, guys. That's a nice little quick little experiment that you guys can do at home to see how penguins keep nice and dry when they're swimming. So guys, I do hope you've had fun today, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and please do tell other people all about these experiments. Guys, don't forget to keep safe and to wash your hands. See you soon, guys.